Hi, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q. I'm here at a barbecue competition at Big Bear Lake, and I'm getting ready to do one of the processes or procedures I do for wrapping some of my big meats. So let's go through this process. I'm getting ready to wrap my briskets. They've been on the smoker since about 5 o'clock this morning, and it is now 8 o'clock. I had to put them on very early because we're up here in Big Bear Lake, where the altitude is somewhere between 6,000 and 7,000 feet. So we're cooking under high altitude conditions. Let me go get my brisket, bring it in, and show you what I did. Got my brisket, and I'm going to wrap it. I use heavy duty aluminum foil. The purpose of wrapping it is to get the tenderness that I need quicker. So it's like a crutch. We call it a Texas crutch, I guess. And wrap it very tight. And I also put in there my wrap liquid. That adds flavor. The flavor that I like for my briskets. Take that foil and we'll get it real tight around this brisket. I made sure that I take consideration of where the pieces that I'm going to be cutting for judging are going to be, and they're going to be in this area here. So I've got my temperature probe. That I place right in the area that I want. Currently it's at 151. When I wrap my briskets, I wrap them based upon the color of the brisket, not based upon the temperature. Then I also have the point, which when I trim my briskets, I separate the point from the flat. This gives me better control when I'm cooking hot and fast. And I'll do it a little different since I'm not putting a probe in it. Put the remainder of my wrap liquid in there. There we go. And I'll take both of these and put them back on the smoker and wait for the next step.